In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailerlite landing page. If you've ever created a landing page just to test an idea, run a temporary campaign, or experiment with a new design, your dashboard can start to feel a bit cluttered. Cleaning out old or unused landing pages not only keeps things organized, but also makes it easier to find the pages you're actively working on. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete a single landing page from your Mailerlite account. First, sign into your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see several sections there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where Mailerlite groups everything related to websites and landing pages you've created. After you open the Sites area, you'll notice different tabs at the top. Find and click on the tab labeled Landing Pages. This tab shows a list of all the landing pages currently in your account. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific page you want to remove. It helps to double-check the page name and, if visible, the URL or any notes you might have given it, so you're sure you're deleting the correct one. Once you've found the landing page you want to delete, look to the right of its title. You should see a small downward arrow or More Options icon next to the page name. Click that arrow to open a small menu of actions you can take on that page. In that menu, look for the Delete option, usually represented by a trash can icon. Click the trash can icon to start the deletion process. Mailerlite may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this landing page. This is a good moment to pause and make sure you've selected the right one, because deleting a page is often permanent and can't always be undone. If you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, Mailerlite will remove that landing page from your list. You should no longer see it under the Landing Pages tab. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly tidy up your account and keep your active campaigns front and center.